Are you struggling to make sense of your website data? Are you looking to optimize your Google Analytics for setup or track conversion more effectively? You have come to the right place. Hi, I am Arafat. I specialize in Google Tag Manager, Google Analytics for Google Ads conversion tracking and server-side tracking. With my expertise, I will ensure that your tags and triggers are set up accurately in Google Tag Manager, capturing every important events on your website. I will optimize your GA4 dashboards, making it easier for you to understand your data at a glance and make informed business decisions. Need to track conversions from your Google Ads campaign? I have got your covered. I will set up and verify your conversion tracking to ensure you are getting the most out of your ad spend. Concerned about data privacy and accuracy, I can help to server-side tracking to give you more control and reliability over your data. And that's not all. I will create custom reports tailored to your business needs, so you can focus on what matters most, growing your business. Ready to take your analytics to the next level, and let's get started on optimizing your data for success. Okay, thank you.